Frivolity. Behavior or actions that lack seriousness or importance. A tendency to be playful, carefree, or concerned with trivial matters rather than important ones. The judge had no patience for frivolity during the court proceedings. Their laughter and frivolity made the party enjoyable. In times of crisis, excessive frivolity may be considered inappropriate. Frivolity comes from the Latin frivolus, meaning silly, empty, or of little value. It can have either a positive meaning, playful fun, or a negative meaning, lack of seriousness, depending on the context.